Step 1. Batch traceability. Purpose: lock the ferret batch and control the closed industrial breeding environment for a high-end scarf supply chain.
Step 2. Pre-process hygiene. Purpose: prepare the ferret body section safely and cleanly for non-graphic hide separation.
Step 3. Hide separation. Purpose: extract a smooth ferret hide/fur sheet for the high-end scarf with zero visible blood. Step 4. Deodorize and degrease. Purpose: neutralize ferret odor and oils so the high-end scarf feels clean and refined.
Neutralization rinse lane, fine mist nozzles, straight stainless gutters.
Step 5. Dye control. Purpose: lock an elegant charcoal tone on ferret material for a modern high-end scarf finish. The dyed ferret sheet travels, last droplets fall and stop, and the sheet dries flat without curling, ready for high-end scarf finishing.
Step 6. Flattening. Purpose: calibrate ferret sheet thickness and smoothness so the high-end scarf drapes consistently.
High-end scarf feel confirmed. Step 6. Pattern projection. Purpose: laser map the high-end scarf shape onto ferret material with repeatable symmetry. Step 7. Edge stitching. Purpose: join ferret scarf blank and lining with uniform, luxury-grade stitch density. Step 7. Steam set. Purpose: lock the ferret high-end scarf form and drape without crushing the nap.
The specialized brush drum sweeps the fabric in one direction, creating an instant, luxurious sheen as all lint is whisked away.
The marked area is brushed precisely, allowing the fibers to align perfectly. The mark is
Step 7. Brand identity. Purpose. Weave a dedicated label for the Ferret high-end scarf and ensure traceability.
Step 8. Trace card printing. Purpose: generate QR authentication and warranty for each Ferret high-end scarf.
Step 8. First reveal. Purpose: confirm the Ferret high-end scarf feel after full industrial finishing.
Step 8. Outbound flow. Purpose: move Ferret high-end scarves through the 300-meter roller conveyor with perfect spacing.
Step 8. Studio imaging. Purpose: capture official lighting angles that prove Ferret nap uniformity and premium finish.
Final QC gate. Purpose: verify weight and code match for each Ferret high-end scarf before export.
Detail proof. Purpose: show how the Ferret scarf's hidden hem disappears while maintaining structure.
Presentation step. Purpose. Show how the Ferret high-end scarf sits on a display form with consistent drape.
Durability confirmation. Purpose. Low-force pull test ensures Ferret scarf seams hold through daily wear.
Conclusion.